What's up, fam? It's your boy Y2. And today I'll be bringing y'all something from Reflective Concepts today. And if you haven't, go check out some of my other videos. I did a tail light tint review, and I did a headlight tint review. But share, subscribe, like, and comment if you're new. And if you missed my other videos, do the same thing for me, man. We all family. But let's get right into it. So I ordered from Reflective Concepts about 7 days ago. Again, came pretty quick, you know, due to all this stuff going on right now. And so basically Reflective Concepts is basically a business that has like letterings for a charger. Let's say you have like chrome letters and you want black letters like I'm doing today. That's exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. And so they have a pretty good selection of colors from Reflective and all that. It's pretty good. So I suggest if you want a different color on your like lettering, hit them up. It's pretty good. No sponsorship. But yeah, and so they give you instructions of how to do it and what to do and just your receipt and everything. But yeah, I'm finna show y'all today how to put it on, tell the tips and tricks and how it goes and everything. So when you want to do it or you get to do it, you can do it. But thanks for watching. See y'all next. Starting to clean the letters. I'm using alcohol. I didn't wash the car, but I'm using alcohol to clean the letters. All you gotta do is just get any alcohol for real. I'm just using this one right here. And I'm just getting a Q-tip, just dipping it in, and just wiping over the letters, like so. And you do it like 7 times, they say, or like 2 times or something, so you can at least get like the best hold and best cleaning. And once you apply the alcohol 2 or 3 times or more, you basically just want to get a towel and just rub over the letters just to make sure it's dry and nothing's leaking. Because if it's leaking, then of course you want to apply. When it's dry and clean with alcohol, it'll for sure be able to apply. So just clean each letter very gently, not hard. So you'll see a little shine and glimmer once it's about clean. Okay, I just got the D on. The D was pretty easy. I had some trouble because it's my first time, of course, but it was pretty easy once you kind of get the hang of it and read the instructions while you do it. So now I'm gonna do the O. And so between each paper, when you do it, it's like a middle part in it. You have to put okay, in this okay, before you do it, okay. And how you start it is, you see, you gotta peel this back, and when you peel it back, it's the sticky part on the back. So once you peel the white part back, you put the O on the basically the emblem, and then you just peel it, like you stick it there first, and you press down with your hands, with your fingers, and press it down to the letter. Then you do a sharp angle and you tear it off. So like right now, I tore the white backing piece off. Apply the clear cover to the letter. So you press it down like so. Don't do it too hard. Just give it a little force, a little tug. And then after this, basically you come from a sharp angle from like a corner, and you keep peeling it back. So right now they're basically on. They're gonna get done drying and sticking and everything. But let me tell you, like basically when you pull the paper back, when you start with this, the clear part, and you pull the paper back and you apply it on and press it on, sometimes it won't stick as well. So sometimes you might have to just peel it back up and just get this part and just do it yourself and get from the paper and just pull it back to the emblem yourself, and then apply just like deluxe tint. And then pretty much that's really it. The G and the E is the hardest ones to do. The E is really hard, definitely at the bottom, because I kind of messed my bottom up there, as you see, but it's not really that big of a deal, not that noticeable. You can't really see it. I'm always messing inside up, always inside the car. But once they dry, it's gonna look really good. definitely from far away. I'll show you a far away view later on in the clip. But yeah, the G and the E is hardest. Make sure when you get to the G, you wanna start from this side and pull to like right here, cause this is gonna come up. And you wanna start, so basically you wanna start from two sides with the G. So right here to the middle and to the right to the middle. And that's how I got mine on there. Exactly. Same thing with the E is a little different. It's just straight. The E, you wanna line it up, but some, like one little strip may mess up because it's not exactly on it. Maybe sometimes the cuts may be wrong or anything. For the most part, it's pretty good. Looks really good. And yeah, I'll show you a before and after. And yeah, so I want to thank you for watching this video and tuning in. Subscribe, share, like, comment in the comments what you think, and tell me if you're gonna do this in your car or not. And shout out Reflective Concepts, and that's what this called, Reflective Concepts, Mopar. So look it up if you want to do anything. They got front to the back to the side of lettering or anything like SRT 392, Hemi, all that. But I just got the Dodge one for my side. But I'm not probably, my rest of my car is unbadged, so I'm not really gonna apply nothing else to my car. That's really all I want for the lettering, for the most part. And it looks pretty good from far away. It looks really good. So let me know in the comments what you think, and tune into my past videos of the taillight tint and the headlight tint. All right, see y'all tomorrow. All right, Watu out, y'all. All right, fam. Alright, it's your boy Watu, and today I'll be showing y'all 5% throughout the day and the difference between it at night. And this is 5% through the day. You see the little difference right there? 5% on the left, and this is regular. And so I got the little top part, the top strip, same thing, keep a lot of rays and sunlight out. So as you see, 5% through the day. It's dark, but it's not as dark as you think. But at the same time, it's light. So let's say I open this window down. You'll see a big difference. It's actually, again, at daytime, during the day, you could literally barely look into the car. They can barely see you throughout the day. Nighttime, you will not be able to see nothing. But here, you see how it is. Now let's say I raise it down a little bit. You see the little difference? That's how it looks during the daytime. It's not as bad as you think, but at the same time, my car is really dark. So it's 5% all around. And so my car is black. And if you have a black car, it looks even darker. It's crazy, man. I don't know, it sounds pretty good without it. Let me show you the inside. Inside, nice and good. I was thinking about the little wire around it. I'm not sure yet. I may. Got the little dash. Beats by Dre. Got the 8-speed, of course. The 8-speed way better than 6-speed. I always try to get the 8-speed. Come with the paddle shifters, it makes the car way faster. Man, paddle shifters go crazy. Go crazy. But you know what I'm saying? I got custom floor mats for the winter. Not just for the winter, just in general. It keep all the dirt out really good, way better. You see the difference between a tent, you know, like 5 and regular with the little visor. I got leather seats, cup holders in the middle, spoil in the back. You know, I told the roof, just haters, man. You gotta keep going. Keep going, man. Get a good deal for the mileage and everything, because gotta bring the best working car that you can get. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Let me